What's good YouTube? This is Zangadio, and today I got a new video for you guys. And basically today we're gonna be talking about the WordPress plugin called UpDraftPlus. Right. So what does this plugin do? Basically allows you to back up your website and migrate your website as well really easily. Right. You can also make backups to Google Drive using FTP, Dropbox, and Amazon. There are a lot of options that you could do. Right. So after just going into your plugins and then just searching for updraft and installing and activating that, you will not find it inside your menu over here. You're not going to find it in the admin panel menu. Actually, you're going to find it in settings and then updraft plus backups, right? So I'm going to show you how you can backup and migrate. So all you'll need to do in terms of backup is just hit backup now, and after it's done, so basically just give it a little while. I'm not gonna bother you with that. You're gonna find out backup data, so you're gonna download each and every one of these. So your database, your plugins, your themes, your uploads, and then others, right? And basically this is how you back up your data. You just hit up backup now, and it's gonna be over here, right? And it's gonna give you the backup date and everything. Right, so let's say right now I want to migrate to another hosting or whatever. My website broke, I just want that old backup, right? So I'm just gonna update this WordPress version really quickly. It's not gonna take that while, but basically all you really need to do is just install the updraft plugin over here as well inside your new installation or the domain that you're going to migrate to. But of course, just make sure that they have matching WordPress versions and they work in the same way, and it will work basically. All right, so I'm just gonna add in the new plugin. I'm gonna search updraft. Install now, and notice that I am on a different domain from this one that I am using. Okay, so I am going to install this right now. I'm going to activate it. All right, and again, like I said, you're going to find it in settings. So I'm just gonna go into backup and restore, and as you can see right now, there's no backup over here. So we're going to upload the backup files. All right, so I'm just gonna get the backup files, and right now it's going to upload. All right, so I'm gonna give it a while because it's uploading. And basically when it's done uploading, all you really need to do is just hit restore, and it's going to tell you that there are old plugins, which is basically the state of the website that is in right now. So whatever plugins that you have, whatever pages you have, whatever you have on your website, it's going to make another folder of it that's called old themes, for example, old plugins, old uploads, old others, old database, and so on and so forth. So as you can see right now, the upload is done. So we're just gonna click restore, and make sure to choose the components to restore, to select everything, and then next. Again, it's gonna give you probably an error on the first time, and as you can see, it's telling you the PHP setup on this web servers only allows 60 seconds for PHP to run, and this does not allow the streaming to be raised. Yeah, so this is basically because I'm just using a free hosting. Okay, so we're just gonna restore this, and I'm talking about the error that you're probably gonna have over here. It's basically just gonna tell you that you have old plugins and old stuff, so that is fine. If it does tell you that, just make sure to delete them, and of course have a backup of them as well. So again, it's just restoring the plugins, restoring the themes, restoring everything. So after this is done, if I go into the same domain and then courses, for example, this should bring up to me the same page over here. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it a little while to finish. So as you can see, it's cleaning. This is the step where it's basically just cleaning up some rubbish. So like some old plugins, some old files. And as you can see right now, restore has been successful. So if I return to the Updraft Plus configuration, let's check out the panel. So yeah, as you can see, it exactly took the same thing and it just migrated it really simply. All right. Even that image that wasn't there over here, it's basically migrated the same state that you left your website in. So that is pretty much it today, guys, for the Updraft Plus backup. I hope this video helps you guys in terms of backing up your website. Stay safe, continue coding. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angry, and peace, guys.